scholars, today I'm going to show you how to get trigonometric values, your trigonometric table values, without calculator or without having to cram them. All right. Now let's go straight to that. Now this 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, which are all special angles. This is sine, this is cos, this is tan. Now how do we get this easily? What do you do first? All right. Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take the square root of each of them. Square roots, square roots, square roots, square roots, square roots. All right. Divide them by 2 over 2 over 2 over 2 over 2 over 2. What is the square root of 0? Of course, is 0. Now 0 divided by 2, of course, is going to give us what? 0. Because anything divided by 0, or sorry, anything 0 divided by anything gives us what? 0. So of course, sine 0 gives us 0. Now square root of 1 gives us 1. That's 1 over 2. So sine 30 is going to give us 1 over 2, right? Or 0.5. 1 over 2 is also 0.5, all right? Now let's move on to the next one. Now root 2 over 2, of course, is still the same thing as root 2 over 2. So sine 45 gives us root 2 over 2. And root 3 over 2, of course, is still the same thing as root 3 over 2. So sine 60 gives us what? Root 3 over 2. Now sine 90, let's move on to sine 90. Square root of 4, of course, gives us 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. All right, so sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Now let's move to cos. Now what we're going to be doing to get cos is that we're going to do a reverse. So this comes here, all right, from the last to the first. That's from the last one of sine to the first of cos. All right, so it becomes that cos 0 is going to be 1. That's a reverse 1. All right, so cos 0 gives us 1. Now reverse this down here. Now it means that cos 30 is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. So cos 30 gives us root 3 over 2. Now reverse this down here, right? So it shows that cos 45 is root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. Cos 45 gives us root 2 over 2. Now reverse this. It shows that cos 60 is going to be 1 over 2 or 0.5. All right? So cos 60 is 1 over 2 or 0.5. Now let's reverse the last one. So we're going to have it here now from here that sine cos 0, sine 0 is 0, but cos 90 in this case, that's reversing it, is going to be 0. All right? Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Now let's move on to tan. Now, of course, you remember that tan is what? Sine over cos. All right? Tan is sine over cos. So to get tan, we're going to divide this by this. All right? So 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by 1 gives us what? 0. All right? 0 divided by 1 gives us 0. 0 divided by 1 gives us 0. Now 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. Of course, division turns to multiplication. This is going to be 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over root 3. This takes this away. All right? This takes this away. So now we're going to be left with 1 over root 3. Now by rationalization, you have 1 over root 3 multiplied by root 3 over root 3. Now 1 times root 3 gives us what? Root 3. Over root 3 times root 3, that gives us 3. Because if you multiply root of the same number, it will give you that number same day without that root. So we have root 3 over 3. Right? That's by dividing this and this. Now let's move further. Let's move further to getting the remaining ones. So now let's move to getting tan 45. Of course, root 2 over 2 divided by root 2 over 2 will give us 1. Anything divided by the same thing is 1. So that means tan 45 gives us 1. All right. Now let's move to the next one. We have root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Of course, division turns to multiplication. We have root 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 1. Now 2 takes away 2 here. We're going to be left with root 3. All right. So this is going to be root 3. So tan 60 gives us root 3. Times 60 gives us root 3. Now, let's find tan 90, the last one. Now, how do we do that? How do we do that? 1 divided by 0. Alright? 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Because anything divided by 0 is undefined. So this is going to be undefined. Alright? Undefined. 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 So this is how to easily get your trigonometric values. Very, very easy and fast. Alright? Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it, and comment. Alright? Hit the notification button after subscribing. Thank you.